Welcome to the virtual classroom of Ambuja Public School. A very good morning to all my little children. I hope all of you are fine. This is Monica ma'am, your English teacher. Hope you are enjoying your virtual classes and doing your studies regularly. So today we are going to do recapitulation of noun number. Let us see what is a noun number. A noun number refers to the term which tells us the number of the noun. That means what is the number of the noun, whether they are countable or not. The noun which is countable will definitely be having some or the other number, may it be one or more than one. Before proceeding to the noun number, let us recap what is a noun. Noun is a naming word, or we can also say that a noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Here you can also see the examples: person, place, animal, thing. Now types of noun number, they are of two types. The first one is singular, that means only one, which denotes only one in number, and plural means more than one. Let us see one more example. Take example of a marble. Now this is only one marble, one in number, therefore it is a singular noun. Here we can see many marbles. They are more in number, they are more than one. So this is an example of a plural noun. By the example of the marble, we understand that a noun that denotes one person, place, animal or a thing is called a singular noun. Marble is a thing. But even if it is a man or an animal or a place and it is one in number, it will be a singular noun. Similarly, a noun that denotes more than one person, place, animal or a thing is called a plural noun. Here you can see in the example, people, the men more in number, they are more than one. The houses more than one. Puppies more than one, and here we can see the toys that are more than one. Now we again continue to the topic of noun number, wherein I will teach you how to change a singular noun to a plural noun. Here I have written certain rules that are used to change the singular noun into a plural. This I will explain you with some examples so that it becomes easy for you to understand. So, dear children, today we will be beginning the rules to change a singular noun to plural noun. There are various rules to change singular to plural. The first among them is by just adding s to the regular noun. Secondly, by adding es to the nouns. Third is by adding ies, and fourthly it is by adding ves. Now let us see the first rule, wherein we add just s to a regular noun. For example, let's take the word cat, cat. By adding s to it, it becomes cats. One more example we can take, tree. Tree is a singular noun, but if we add s to it, it becomes trees. So there are various regular nouns in which we can just add s and make it a plural noun. The second rule says that for changing singular nouns to plural nouns, we can add es to the given word. But for this, always remember that the words that are ending in s, double s, ch, sh or x. Any word which is ending with either s, double s, ch, sh or x, in these words we will always add es to convert it into a plural. Now let us see with some examples. Let's take the example with s. The spelling is gas, G-A-S. When you will add es to it, it becomes gases. Second example we can take of double s, that is loss, L-O-S-S becomes L-O-S-S-E-S. Third example is the word batch, B-A-T-C-H, it becomes B-A-T-C-H-E-S, batches. Fourth is the word bush, it becomes bushes. And the last word we can take is box, B-O-X, box, that changes to boxes. So here you can see, dear children, that the words that are ending with s, double s, ch, sh and x. To change these kind of words, we will always add es to make them plural noun. So this is all for today. The next rules, the remaining rules, I will be teaching you tomorrow. Your homework for today will be read the story Bamboo Curry and list out all the singular nouns from the story and write them in your notebook. We'll meet you tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay smiling. Thank you and bye-bye.